My goodness, mura gibira ang akong tiil mga inday. La, did you see that?
See what?
Ayun oh. Animal. Yeah. So mga inday, hello, maing udto. Nandito kami ngayon sa siyempre sa labas. Kaaalis lang namin ay pupunta daw kami doon sa falls. Gaano kalaya? An hour away. Okay. Ayun si Mr. Ho.
Hey.
So, I'll see you there. We'll see you there, mga lalabs. Bye. Ayaw ko sanang pumunta mga lalabs kaya syempre pagod ako sa trabaho. No? Pero gusto nilang pumunta. Kaya sabayan ko na lang din. Pinutol nila ang kahoy, daddy. Oh. Hi, baby. Ano man ibalik ko akong naong, no? Naman siya balik ko akong naong. Sino tapos kong naong anong balik ko? Chuchay! Yan, nandito po kami sa kalsada ngayon. So, hour and 16 minutes mga lakabs. Yan, ganda ng view.
Actually,
Pagkatapos ng ulan
hour and
kahapon.
8 minutes now.
Pagkatapos ng ulan kahapon. Ayan ang itsura. Ang ganda. Ang presko. Kahit mainit pero ano siya, medyo malamig siya. You know.
So,
At dito na naman kami umiagi na po diri sa bridge. Yan sa bridge. Both sides are water. Ayan ho, ang aming kaharap. Kaharap namin na daan. Wala na. Yung sapat ko nawala. Nawala siya. Ito kayo mga pine trees. Oh, ayun. Ang Shasta Mountain. Mount Shasta Mountain. Ando na Mount Shasta. Ayan, daghan siya ice karon mga laps, daghan siya snow. Wapa kay siya karon.
Oh, now there's bears.
there's.
Yeah, there was a picture of a mama bear and the baby cub.
Ayan.
Really?
Yeah. That's the picture.
We're gonna pull over here for a few minutes if you'd like to get out and take a few photographs, and then we'll be heading on our way.
Okay. Ambot kung unsay
Please don't
na
question the tour guide.
I don't know what's in here. So di akaron mi dili mga lalabs.
Okay, let's take a break. We're half.
Di ami karon mi mga labs oh. Stacy. Adan. Og daghan ka eng kuan diri mga labs oh. Blackberry oh. Hala nako blackberry nako.
Oh, look, there's a sunflower seed in there.
Ha?
Sunflower seed pack.
So, nandito kami sa Vista Point. Ayan. So, di ami karon diri sa kuan sa Vista Point. Ayan, sa mga tourist, nakatulad na manuri sa midet, no? Habang nagulat si Mr. dito. Ayan. Dudut! Dali na lang. Lapit na kami trailer. There
You know
is.
what glamping is?
Oh, glamping with a trailer.
Yeah, but do you know what Glamping?
Glamorous.
Glamorous camping.
Glamorous camping.
Also known as glamping.
They have trailer, so that's glamping. When there's trailer, glamping.
Right. Because you have your shower, your bathroom, your kitchen, all there. And a bed.
Yeah. So maybe they will spend nights here.
I am all about glamping.
Presko kay diri mga inday, oy. Dahil sa mga puno na yan, oh.
4.2 miles. 20 miles.
Tanaw ka ninyong dalan mga inday, oh. Straight kaayo.
I thought you were sleeping, Stacy.
Yan, mga
Stacy, do you
dalan.
want anything? Or do you need anything? We're 8 minutes away, just so you know, Stacy, from our destination.
Ang dalan pa mga paingos dagat. Siguro that sign.
CHP.
Oh,
I could recognize it way far away. Either CHP or Sheriff.
Sheriff.
I don't know, CHP. So it's
People.
almost 7 miles.
0.7 miles. This is Shasta Trinity, Daddy.
National Forest.
Turn right onto Fowler Public Camp Road.
MacLeod or MacLeod?
McLeod.
Oh, MacLeod. Mali dahil ko mga inday, MacLeod. I said earlier MacLeod. MacLeod. So, exit na tayo dito mga
In half a
inday.
mile, turn left.
Oh, they closed this, huh? Maybe at night.
We're not camping though. We're just coming for a visit, a picture. We're not staying overnight. So all
Is
the-
this the falls that we
Are you back there?
Oh, remember when she wants to talk to you earlier?
Oh, I'm sorry, Stacy. What did you want to ask me? Stace,
She forgot, I guess.
did you forget? Oh, I'm so sorry. I apologize. Please forgive me.
Daddy asked me about the truck, Stacy. Do you want to keep the truck? Grandma's truck? The green truck, Stacy? That's what I'm going to use for you to take you to school.
Did you know the green truck? That was Louie's favorite truck.
Turn right, then prepare to park your car near Middle Falls, Maine. You will need to walk to your destination from there.
So English. Okay, so mga Inday, nandito kami ngayon. Naglalakad kami, oh. Hi, Stacy. Si Mr. hindi makakasama. So kami lang. Ayan, right here daw. Yan, oh. Come on, babe. Hi. So maglakad tayo mga Inday papunta sa ano, no? Papunta sa tubig. Ay, paano na lang kaya ito? Maglakad-lakad tayo. Sus, kanindot kay mga Inday, oh. Ang view. O, tingin nak, oh. Nak, look at me. Wee! Hoy! Hey! Hoy, hoy, hoy! Oh my gosh! Stacy! I can't. Oh my gosh, mga Inday. Ginoo ko kalalom.
It's beautiful.
Lalom ka ay mga Inday. Ginoo ko. Mura ko birahon.
Let's go.
Ay, 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 ay.
Go.
Nak, don't run, babe. Mura naghila ang akong tiil, nak. I can't.
Come on, let's just go.
I can't go there, nak.
Let's just walk off the path.
My goodness, mura gibira ang akong tiil, mga Inday. Lalong kaayo. Lah, did you see that?
What?
Ayun, oh. Animal. Animal. Ay, nako. Oh, I don't wanna go there, babe.
Mom, stop being a scaredy cat.
No, it's not there. I don't like it there.
Come on, Mom, stop being a scaredy cat.
Okay.
People have been here and they're not scared. And even kids been here and they're not scared.
Look at me. Say it.
Just go where other people are going the opposite way of us. It's a 3-lane.
Come on. Hi.
Careful.
Mhm. Sus, mga Inday. Arimig kuan, bukid. Arin daw mig falls. No, careful na nako. Nak, 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 nak. Sus, lalong kay mga Inday. Oh, I can't do it, nak.
Mom, come on.
Hold on. Look. It's very narrow. Look.
It's okay, just go.
I can't.
Come on.
I don't want to go there.
You asked to go
Okay, go.
here.
Enough. Nak, hold my hand.
Mom, look.
Go ahead. Hindi ito nindot. Ayaw. Yummy ko rin sa fruits na. Ayan, ang fruits na nila. Tingnan mo naman yung mga sila. Ayan, nandito na kami sa table. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello. Ang taas ko. Oh my goodness. May na lang, may nagsunod sa amin yung dalawang mga inday o ang kasunod sa amin mga inday papunta dito sa baba. Diyos ko, halos gusto ko nang umiyak. Wait na. Halos gusto ko nang umiyak mga inday. Oh, kataas-taas. Oh. Ayan po. Ang falls sa aking likod. Okay. Sus, kalisuraan kang eh. Ang dali na. This way, babe. This way. This way. So, nandito na kami. Oh, careful, babe. Look at me. Hi! Ayan. Ang tagas po. Doon kami kanina. Nakatingin.
Let's go.
Nandito na kami. Galing kami doon sa taas. Diyan kami nang galing. Tinignan namin dito ang baba. Tinignan namin ang tubig na Stacy? Ang tubig na yan, mga inay. Yan ang tinignan namin. Galing kami doon sa taas. Ayun. Come on, babe, let's go. Ang aking taas. Let's go, nanak ko. Stacy, Stacy. Come on, baby. Let's go there. Stacy. Ayan si Chuchay, nag-enjoy sa tubig. Nagpusing-pusing na. Sige na. Dali na, let's go na nanak ko. Ang aming ano mo, ayan.
I like it. It's a hot day today.
This way. Yan, nagpasakit ako sa aking hamon. Tugnaw mga inday. Tugnaw kaayo ang tubig. Murag ice. Hindi ka lang na ice. Tugnaw kaayo. Okay, si Stacy naman turn. Stacy's turn. Okay. Okay na, 5 minutes na, babe. Look, I love you. Look at me. Okay. Aakyat kami guys, mga dyan, papunta kami nandun. No? Hold on, babe. Hold on. May dalawang tao doon, no? Yan. So, aakyat kami dyan, papunta sa taas. Dyan. So, harap ko talaga ang aking takot. Dahil hinila ako ni Chuchay.
Hold on. Can I spend 1 more minute?
Okay, let's go now.
1 more minute. 1 more minute.
Okay, 1 more minute.
Can I just go?
Yeah. Taas kayo siya, oh. Yan, yung adlaw. 4 o'clock na ng hapon. Oh, come on na, babe. 1 minute is over. Dali, this way, oh. Careful, okay?
I'm freezing now.
Oh, yeah. No, that way. Kuan sa ako. Na, slide na ha. Hold on. Yan. That way, babe. That way. It's easy.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go this way. Oh, that way. This way.
Let's go one more minute.
We're done. Stacy, don't run, huh? Stacy. Shh. See? Gusto niya dyan pumunta, oh. Ang taas-taas, baka mahulog kami.
Let's go.
Akyat na kami mga inday. What is it, Han? Stacy, what is it?
That's just a bottle cap.
Huh? Huh?
It's just a bottle cap.
Oh, wow. Oh, don't pick up. That's really nasty.
I did not pick it up. I just did it like this so I could see what it is better.
Hold on, Miss Han. Don't leave mommy, please.
Oh wow,
Okay.
that's a long way up.
I know. We're really gonna be feeling tired going up. Relax, Han. Relax. Yeah.
Just follow the road that goes up.
Hmm?
See? Stop trying.
But it's not.
I'm good girl. Like, I don't need to do
Yeah.
this.
I'm tired now. Just hold me, please. Hold mommy's hand. So please. Come on, relax. I'm tired, Han. I'm tired.
Look, that's the same kind.
Hold on, let's rest. Ayan, kalalom mga inday. Anya ni maglalom-lalom na gyud ni twisty kayo diha minigikan nya ni ana may diri taas pataas ta.
Wait, let's try
Go this
it.
way. Okay. Tingnan yung mga inday na prutas Wait na, wait. Ayan prutas. Nawala ang prutas daw. Ayan. Hi Stacy. Nandito na kami sa taas mga inday. Ayan. Uy. Nandito na kami sa parking lot mga inday. Ayan. So paalis na kami mga inday. Pupunta na naman daw sa ibang house. Ayan ang anak kong nagpupursige sa akin na nangurog na ang akong tiil. Pero kung tagyapon paubos. Ayan, si Stacy. Hi, Chuchay! Nag-enjoy sa activity namin ngayon. So mga inday, nandito kami sa Upper Falls daw. Sabi ni Mr. Dito kami sa sa parking lot ng Upper Falls. Ayun na nga ayan ang falls. Dudut. Careful not ha. Slippery na. Ayan, you can wash your feet here. Wow! Wow! Maudi ining Upper Falls. Wala man ko'y nakitang
Ew,
falls.
there's a lot of bugs in here.
Huh? Yeah. Careful, that's gonna be slippery, hon.
I'm nervous.
Why? It's not gonna bite you.
Go.
Be careful, it's slippery. Go there.
What over there? Are you sure?
It's gonna
No,
be
I don't
slippery.
like those bugs.
It's not gonna bite you. Look at that one.
Yes, it is. I know these bugs.
Yeah. Come on, look.
I'll do it for Dad.
Huh? There's bugs right there too. Look, no, just step in there. It's not gonna bite you. Naiihi na ako mga inday. Don't go there, that's deep. Oh my gosh, nagsidlak-sidlak ang tubig.
I'm actually doing it. Oh wait, that's
Ito ang upper falls na tinatawag nila. Nandoon lang si Mr. sa parking lot. Uy! Don't go there, Mark.
Mom, it's not deep.
It's really cold.
Is it really cold?
Icy cold. Icy cold.
Look at me, I'm fully wet.
Yeah.
You like it? Refreshing, huh? Babe, sit on that rock right there. You can sit on that rock right there and just...
It's really cold.
Really cold.
Wave to the camera. Aw. Okay, wave to your viewers. They've been wanting to do this for a long time. Go to a cold mountain creek and wade around in it to see how it feels. You want to talk to your people? Your viewers?
I'm gonna pass out. That's super.
Okay. I guess this is enough.
No, it's not enough. You still need to
Okay, folks.
relax.
I just wanted to give you a glimpse of what's going on Sunday up at McLeod Upper Falls. Enjoy. Take care.
Yan si Badut-Dut, oh.
You gonna give me my
Naglakad-lakad.
cane out of the truck? On the passenger side?
Yan si Dut-Dut. Upper Falls picnic area.
It's not locked. The truck's open.
I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll help you. Tell Daddy to be careful because it's slippery, okay?
I'm not going in the water, so I'm just gonna get down gently from here.
You want me to go with you?
Choose to
If
be
you want
out
to.
in the water.
Why not? Let's all go together.
Hey, we can sit here. What
So mga Inday, pauwi na kami.
dangerous?
Yan, pauwi.
No, it's just gonna give you a really bad itchy rash.
Nakaupo sa towel. Yan. At yan si Mr. ulit. Hi, Mr.
Uber driver
Hi,
Phillips.
Hubby. Hi, Hubby.
Uber driver hubby.
Hello.
Hi, Chuchay. Yan. Na-enjoy namin mga loves na naharap ko ang aking takot sa pagbaba din sa pinuntahan namin. So yan na mga Inday, pauwi na kami. Babalik na kami sa aming sinimulan kanina. Ayan po. Ayan ang view ng aming pauwi. So nandito kami sa
Are we
Castle
allowed to get wood here?
Crag
No.
State Park.
No.
Oh, what?
All state parks, you cannot take anything out of them, Stacy.
Not even a tiny bit of dirt?
Well, you know, if it's on the bottom of your shoe, I don't think they're gonna
Makikita
be
ko
able
na ang
to.
castle mga Inday. O ayan.
You can take your memories and your photos.
Ayan o. Ako ang nalaki.
Did you say I knew that?
You can't even take a tiny pebble.
Uh,
Itsy bitsy pebble.
Just hide it.
Not even glass on the ground.
Glass.
Yeah, glass.
Glass isn't natural here, so. Oh,
Dear, there you go.
wow.
deer, nothing deer.
Oh, there's a couple of them.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
At least we did not run over a deer.
Oh, well, that's good. That's because we're not speeding.
And then there's bear here too.
The deer know when there's a bear nearby. They know when to take off and get the heck out.
When they stomp, that means there's a black bear or brown bear nearby.
Is that what that means?
Yeah.
Oh, I remember you were watching the video, huh?
Yeah, when they stomp.
Look up. Can you see it?
No?
Okay, we'll
I
keep going.
can't.
There's nothing here. Oh, there you go. Right there. A little.
Castle Crag.
It's a castle crag.
We might have to go back on the freeway and get that viewpoint. Remember that you see?
I don't see it there.
I think there's like a vista point on this side of the freeway going back.
Maybe.
It's okay. Well, we'll turn around if we have no.
It's right there. Oh. Right there.
Oh wow! Ongi wow!
My castle.
Oh, I can't see.
Well, let us keep driving, Stacy. Maybe we're gonna see it.
I can't.
Stacy, relax your neck. Driving the truck, we'll get closer to it. Don't worry. Don't have to strain
I
the seat.
can't say it.
You're so funny, Stacy.
Ay, ka-bright sa ano? Sa adlaw.
I think.
So, moabot yun ni anig balay mga inday alas 8 na. Di apo kuan makatulog. Ayun oh.
What was that?
Right there.
Oh, you seen it? Huh? There's got to be another view up here.
No, I see it.
If you walk here, you can go up there.
I wish Aaron and Uncle Brian could be here.
Why? Are they better than us?
No, I just want everyone to take me back.
I see.
So I can get a memory.
Auntie Erin doesn't know if she get eaten already by the bear. She kept going and going. Right? Mga inday,
I've ever met.
mo balik na mi kay wala mo nakita
Why,
ang
Daddy,
big castle.
yes.
Okay, dogs. Okay. Kami kayo tanawin sa mata pa.
Oink. Oink, oink, oink.
Nandun kaya mga pine trees. Dali sa taas, dali tapi talaga kayong pine trees. Malapit na kami sa Bridge Manalalabs.
Lakehead, California. Shasta Lake.
Gusto ko yung pabalik dahil hindi traffic, wala masyadong sasakyan. Pero pag pupunta doon, dali mga malalaking sasakyan. It's 6:48 na ng gabi. Mataas pa rin ang araw. nandito kami sa sa parkingan ng KFC. Mag-aano na lang kami ng pagkain. Bili na lang kami ng pagkain para hindi na ako magluluto. Para may time pa ako matulog. 7-Eleven na ng gabi. Ay, masakit na ang
Extra
ulo ko.
crispy or
Masakit na
original?
ang ulo ko. Original.
Original.
I don't like extra crispy.
You don't like it? Tutu.
Hello.
Masaya kami mga loves.
I have no
Dinala kami ni
seatbelt
Mister
time.
doon sa At
Mom,
natuwa
I
ako
have
dahil
no
naharap ko yung
seatbelt time.
takot ko.
Mom, I
Inadong ba
have
naman
no
ako ni
seatbelt
Stacy?
time.
Hinila ba naman ako ni...
Oh, ripped apart.
Hinila ba naman ako ni Stacy? Stacy said to me, Daddy, we go, what did you say to me, Stacy?
Come on, Mom. We are already so close.
And we come this far, right?
Says our order will be ready at 7:20. I know it'll be ready before then. It always is.
Stacy said, come on, Mommy, we come this far, let's go.
Yeah,
My
because we already
gosh.
went that far.
Ang lalim ba naman ng mga inday, yung bangin, Diyos ko papunta sa tubig. Para akong hinila yung mga paa ko. Gusto ko na talagang maiyak. Aaway kami ni Stacy sa daan. Kakahiya. Okay. So mga inday, nandito na tayo sa ating bahay. Ayan, thank you Lord. Safe kami. Ayan. Parang ayaw ko nang kumain, parang gusto ko na lang mahiga. Yan mga inday, nandito na tayo sa ating bahay. Ayan, maraming salamat.
Don't film me.
Lord, nandito na kami. Okay, good night po. Bye-bye.